Pwede.
May bangis na hayop gumagalaw dun. Ano yun? Kalbo. Mabangis na hayop. Anong hayop ang kalbo? Punta na po kami sa cementerio. Naliligaw na ako. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan sila, kung saan ako pupunta. Hindi ko na alam.
If any one of you who does not believe in forever, I will prove you wrong.
Sa panahon ngayon, mahirap mapinta ang totoo sa hindi. Ang imahinasyon na sana tayo'y may pag-asang umayos pa muli. Mukhang malabo yun.
First drop off is the public cemetery of Sagada, where one of the fallen 44 is buried. If you know the story, Sa 44. And then we will also pass by some evidences that Sagada was once under the ocean before. And then we go to Echo Valley, but you cannot shout in Echo Valley. It's already considered a sacred place, so we cannot shout.
We cannot shout.
Make noise.
Walang forever!
Then we go to the hanging coffins, wherein we can have a closer view of the hanging coffins. So first off, little trivia. This kind of tree, this is called fern trees, and these fern trees lived during the Jurassic times. If you found something like this in the forest, it indicates that the soil in the forest is very humid, or it has water inside. So it's a great source of water.
Alam na pag nauhaw. May dala ba kayong gripo? Isaksak na sa katawan mo.
Wala yun. Wala sa forever. Okay, so if you can observe, there's a window in the tomb. So the one inside the tomb wanted the tomb to be a house-like tomb, and then the families did just build a window so that it will look like a house.
Walang forever.
Pag-iway ng mga kaluluwa yung
So like I said a while ago, kung sino man lang sa inyo ang hindi naniniwala sa forever, if any one of you who does not believe in forever, I will prove you wrong. You can see there are empty tombs. Empty tombs are reservation for their wife or husband. So it means hanggang kamatayan magkasama pa rin. So merong forever.
Forever.
Now I know.
May empty tomb na.
Parang gusto mo ba?
Paano kung mag-asawa ulit yung asawa na namatay? So here in Sagada, husband and wife are loyal and faithful to each other. They don't have to marry another husband or wife when the husband or the wife dies.
You're not allowed. I mean, you're not allowed to marry, or you don't have to marry.
You need a translator. Just ask me.
Dalawa. Walang forever. Mga liksi kayo.
Kahit mamatay ka, di kayo pagpapalit.
Dalawang to mag-asawa to. Itong dalawang to mag-asawa din to. Yung dalawa na mag-asawa din.
There are charcoals in the tombs. So during November 1st, they do the lighting of candles. But when that kind of culture was introduced in Sagada, we don't have stores in Sagada, so we can't buy candles. So our ancestors thought of ideas that they will just use the pine trees. But the pine trees are not just the ordinary pine trees. They pick the pine trees that are the best, which is it can easily lit up. Even if you soak it in water, then you try to lit it up, then it will lit up. It's like it has a natural gas inside the pine tree, so it burns easily.
Forever.
That Sagada was once under the ocean before. So those evidences are those white stones. So they are not just ordinary stones because they are limestones. And limestones can only be seen under the sea or beside the sea. Because the main component of the limestones It's the same with the main component of the seashells, which is calcium carbonate. So when seashells die, they will decompose in an area, and those seashells will become powder. And then when they clump together, they will form stones, and they are already called limestones. Thank you.
Okay.
So pati limestone may forever dito, ganon?
The question is, do you know what's behind those stones?
What?
No? No. It's not the ocean. Sige na?
Siret.
So what's behind those stones are also stones.
Wala. Walay. Naliligaw na ako. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan sila, kung saan ako pupunta. Oh, hindi ko na alam. Ah! So ngayon ko lang nalaman, may rock climbing pala dito sa Sagada. Oh. Gatin nyo yan. Sige. Sabi ko kayo walang forever. So I'm alone. Going to the ancient cemetery. Up! Kakatakot. Cemetery yung mag-iisa ako. Naiwan na ako ng guide. Ang bagal ko kasi eh. Hindi ko na alam, naliligaw na ako. I found them. Kapagod. Dito na ako sa tak-tak ng walls. Nag-wall climbing ako para makita ko sila. Ayan sila, busy. Pagod.
Sa panahon ngayon, mahirap mapinta ang totoo sa hindi. Ang imahinasyon na sana tayo'y may pag-asang umayos pa muli. Mukhang malabo yun, parang bulan na wala ka bigla. Umasa ako, mga sinabi mo'y totoo, ngunit ang kilos mo salungat sa mga banat mo. Kay bilis, kay iksi ng kwento nating dalawa. Mistulang hangin, ika'y biglang nawala. Sana bago ka.
Ayusin nyo naman. Hindi, kanyari siya lang natin sa akin.
Pwede yan. Tinginan kayo, tinginan.
I see dead people.